Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn how to rotate a given shape 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. When we are rotating a figure 180 degree about the origin, either in the clockwise or counterclockwise. Counterclockwise means it is anti-clockwise. Okay. Each point of the given figure has to be changed from xy to negative x, negative y. Okay. Negative x, negative y. You should follow this rule, children. Here each point, that is, if we are representing the point as xy, then it becomes negative x, negative y, opposite of x and y. Okay. So when we rotate a figure of 180 degrees about the origin in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, you should follow the rule. That is, you should change the point xy to negative x, negative y. Okay. 180 degree means half turn. Half turn. A complete turn is a circle. Complete turn, that is 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay. Children, this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. That is counter-clockwise. Both will reach at the same position. So, for clockwise and anti-clockwise, the rule is same. Okay. If the shape is here, after rotation of 180 degree clockwise, it will reach here. And after a rotation of anti-clockwise, also it will reach in the same position. Okay. So children, when we are rotating a figure 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, you should follow the rule, that is, the coordinate xy becomes negative x, negative y. Okay, negative x, negative y. Let me explain few examples, children. Here in this figure, we are rotating the point M 180 degree clockwise. 180 degree clockwise. Okay. Here the coordinates of M are negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 4. So it becomes opposite of negative 1 is 1 and opposite of 4 is negative 4. So it becomes 1, negative 4. Okay. It will reach here. This is M dash. After a rotation of 180 degree clockwise. Okay. Our next example is, given a triangle PQ. This is the center, children. We can represent it as C, PQC. Okay. Here we are rotating the shape 180 degree clockwise. 180 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise, both are same, children. Here the coordinate of P is negative 3, 1. Negative 3, 1. So opposite of it is 3, negative 1. P dash. Opposite of negative 3 is 3 and opposite of 1 is negative 1. Okay. So the point will reach here. After a rotation of 180 degree. Then Q. Q. This is Q. 2, 3. It becomes negative 2, negative 3. This is the center of rotation. When we join like this, we will get the image. Okay. This is also example for rotation of 180 degrees. This is the center of rotation. Center of center of rotation. Okay. Here children, negative 2, 3, the point M becomes 2 if it is 180 degree anti-clockwise. Both are same children, clockwise or anti-clockwise, both are same. Negative 2, negative 3 becomes 2, negative 3, that is M dash. Opposite of negative 2 is 2 and opposite of 3 is negative 3. Okay. Then N, 1, 4. 1, 4. It becomes negative 1, negative 4. N dash. Okay. Then if you join these points, we will get the image. Let me explain one more example. In this shape, this is the center of rotation. Okay. This is the center of rotation. The points in the shape are P, Q, R, P, Q, R. Okay, the coordinates are 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, negative 1. As I told you, the rule is xy becomes negative x, negative y. So 1, 4, negative 1, negative 4, P dash. Okay. Then 3, 1, 3, 1, negative 3, negative 1, 3, 1. Okay. Next 2, negative 1, 2, negative 1. Opposite, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 1. This is negative 3, negative 1. If you join the points, we will get the image. This is the object. After a rotation of 180 degree clockwise or 180 degree anti-clockwise. Children, the shape will become opposite of the original figure. That is, the image is opposite to the object. Each point, see, Q and Q dash are opposite, and P and P dash are opposite, and R dash are opposite. Okay. So children, when we are rotating a figure 180 degrees about the origin, either in the clockwise or in the anti-clockwise direction, you should follow this rule, that is, each point of the given figure has to be changed from xy to negative x, negative y. Okay. This is half turn. Half turn clockwise and half turn anti-clockwise. That is 180 degree clockwise or 180 degree anti-clockwise. Okay. Children, listen this video carefully and do the given work in your graph book. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.